Hi, I'm Michael Romine with Houston Grass. If you're looking for sod installation in Richmond, Texas, you're in the right place. We serve Richmond and the greater Fort Bend County area with premium Texas-grown turf grass. We help homeowners choose the right grass for their yard, their sun exposure, and their long-term goals. Our proven varieties include Raleigh St. Augustine, Palmetto St. Augustine, Cobalt St. Augustine, Tifway 419 Bermuda, and Zoysia options like Palisades, Emerald, and Cavalier. If your yard has shade, Palmetto or Cobalt may be a better fit. If you want durable, easy care lawn with more sun, Raleigh or Palisades may be a great choice. And if you have a full sun yard with heavy traffic, Tifway 419 Bermuda is often a strong option. We also work with homeowners in communities like Harvest Green, Meadow Farms, Pecan Grove, Riverpark West, and Aliana. In many of these neighborhoods, HOA rules can affect the grass that you can use in the front yard, so it's always a smart idea to check before you choose. If you're not sure what grass is best, we can help you figure it out. At Houston Grass, we help you choose the right grass and get your lawn off to a great start. If you're ready to upgrade your Richmond lawn, give us a call or request a quote online.